Happy Sunday, guys, and welcome back to my channel. It is beautiful outside. I just got back from the grocery store, so I bought food, which Whole Foods has these really good cinnamon rolls that you can put in the oven. Oh my gosh, so good. Anyway, I hope you guys had a wonderful weekend. Today, I wanted to tell you about what my beauty routine looked like at Disney when it is 95 degrees outside. Am I wearing makeup? Am I not wearing makeup? But basically, as the week progressed, this is what my face looked like. This is what my makeup looked like. Because at the beginning of the week, I did full coverage makeup. I'll put a picture up and you can see that I'm full coverage and I had a little bit eyeshadow on and I felt cute and I'm like, yeah. But as the week progressed, even though I had sunscreen, I actually didn't put on the sunscreen. So I got tanned and my makeup was too light. So let me tell you the two things that I did. One of them is completely a lifesaver throughout the summer, that if you don't want to change your foundation, you don't have to. So first, beginning of the week, I did full coverage and I used my Dior Forever, which has an SPF of 35, but I still got tanned because that's what happens when you're in 90 something degree weather. I used this, and I also used this a lot, my e.l.f. Matte Magic Mist and Set. So I use my beauty blender, which right now is dirty because I used it earlier. Need to wash it. But I used this, and when I was applying my foundation, I missed my beauty blender with this. I didn't oversaturate it because you don't want it to be wet. You want it to be damp. And I missed my face a lot. After the first application, then I would put another one on, and then I would mist my face and pounce it on, and it stayed. My makeup didn't crack or anything. The only time it cracked is when I did not use my setting spray to put my foundation on. And so, yeah. But the majority of the week, this right here, my CC serum, because it doesn't have a distinct color, it gives you a nice brightening effect. So it didn't matter what color I was, it blended into my skin. And I realized for when I bought my Kylie Cosmetics concealer that it was a little dark for me. But get the concealer that's for your summer shade, and I use this underneath my eyes after I use this and touched up some spots, my beauty blender, and that was it. And then I used my Hourglass powder. This was a staple to set my face throughout the entire time. Of course, for my eyebrows, I use my Anastasia, what is this called? Brow Powder Duo. And I told you in my last video that KKW's lipsticks, they were a staple for me all week. I have it on now, number 3. I went between 3 and 4 because I didn't have a purse. I wasn't able to reapply it throughout the day unless I was putting it in my pocket or something like that. But when I would go back to the hotel room, I would reapply it because it's creamy, it's soft, it's nice, it's not too thick. I like the creaminess and the natural look of it, and that's what I was going for. And I put a little mascara on. Doesn't matter what mascara you're using or what have you, but yeah, for foundations, before my color changed and I got tan, this was what I was using for my full coverage. And then by Terry, if you don't want to have to change your foundation throughout the summer, you can use the CC serum, which is amazing, with your concealer. And that's what I have on right now. I have my CC serum on with my concealer, and I set it with my Hourglass setting powder. And I mist my face, of course, with my e.l.f. mist. And yeah, it was amazing. It was light. I sweated a lot. And throughout the whole week, I was good. I didn't have patches. I thought I was gonna have patches. I didn't have patches. And it was just great. I want to just give you guys a quick video on what I did for my makeup in the 90-something degree weather. Right now in Seattle, it's in the 80s. And that's crazy for Seattle, but it's beautiful and hot. But that makeup routine that I figured out in Florida will work here too, even though it's not that hot. So I hope that helped you guys. If you have any questions and you want me to actually do the routine, I have no problems doing that at all. But it was really simple, so I just thought I'd tell you. And I hope you guys have a wonderful week. Enjoy the beautiful weather wherever you are. Have an amazing, relaxing Sunday. And I will see you guys next time. Let me free my hands to do my goodbye to you. Bye, guys.